Exploring Abu Dhabi is like stepping into a world where modernity meets tradition seamlessly. From the iconic Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque to the thrilling Yes Island, there's something for everyone. Indulge in luxury at hotels like Emirates Palace, savor diverse cuisines at restaurants, and experience vibrant nightlife at clubs like Mad. Immerse yourself in the spiritual ambience of mosques and dive into the city's rich culture through its souks and cultural experiences. Abu Dhabi offers an unforgettable journey of discovery and wonder.
And explore the cultural hub of Saadiyat Island, home to the Louvre, Abu Dhabi. The futuristic Yas Island, featuring Ferrari World and Yas Water World, promises thrilling entertainment. Hotels. Experience luxury in Abu Dhabi's world-class hotels. Consider staying at the Emirates Palace, known for opulence and impeccable service and transportation system. Utilize the efficient public buses, taxis, or explore the city in style with app-based ride services. The extensive road network makes self-driving or chauffeur-driven options convenient for exploring the city and its surroundings. Restaurants. Indulge in Abu Dhabi's diverse culinary scene. Try Middle Eastern delights at Al Muntaha or Lebanese cuisine at Zarat Lebnan architecture, while the Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan Mosque and Al Aziz Mosque offer serene environments for prayer and reflection. Shopping. Explore the city's vibrant souks and modern malls. The Abu Dhabi Mall and Yas Mall house international brands.
Living the Abu Dhabi lifestyle means indulging in luxury at every turn. From opulent hotels that redefine hospitality to exquisite restaurants serving up culinary